was some romance, something to set the mood. Yeah, I needed a distraction to make it feel less produced. Maybe play a little music, light it up with some candles, scatter a few roses so we can feel like it's special. It's like we're going through the motions, just an empty act of love. But if we don't do it, we won't get what we want. So we continue to try, fighting discouragement. I just hope wasted time doesn't build resentment. As the romance faded, tension walked through the door, ripped apart our optimism and sprinkled it on the floor. It took away the light we saw and left a single flame. But because we lost hope, we let our love die in vain. It's like we're going through the motions, just an empty act of love. But if we don't do it, we won't get what we want. So we continue to try, fighting discouragement. I just hope wasted time doesn't build resentment. It's like we're going through the motions, just an empty act of love. But if we don't do it, we won't get what we want. So we continue to try, fighting discouragement. I just hope wasted time doesn't build resentment. Stars fall and get trapped in our hair, so light we don't notice they're there. Sprinkled on our shoulders, glistening in the dark. Flame and warmth radiate from more than our hearts. Quiet crackles as crickets chirp and owls call home, talking and giggling as the night goes on. Sweetness on my lips, but it's not the marshmallow. Those sweet moments let me forget I'm alone. Ashes kiss the leaves while floating weightlessly, and I could join them in this moment of relief. A break from reality and adrift in peace. Time away with you makes my life complete. But I can ruin the perfect weekend, and I can bring the happiness and end. I can ruin everything that brings joy. Just have to be reminded of the void. But Monday rolls around and the weight takes its place, slowly brings me down till I can't bear the weight. Head towards the ground and jut it out in front. My lack of confidence couldn't be more evident. Shoulders rolled, eyes wishing that talking, but nothing I say matters much. Anything to distract from what I've buried. The gossip is so much easier to carry. I appreciate anything to clutter my mind. Makes it difficult to reach what's deep inside. But on my way to work, or while I'm heading home, regret finds a way to make itself known. 'Cause it can ruin a perfect weekend, and it can bring the happiness and end. It can ruin everything that brings joy. Just has to remind me of the void. Imagination clouds my head, creating times we never had. But I enjoy the creativity, 'cause it's the only way you're with me. Imagination crowds my thoughts, creating times I thought were lost. And I love everything I see, 'cause it shows we would have been happy. We would have been happy. So I'm imagining, lost in a dream of you and me, just you and me. Imagination floods my mind, giving me a reason to smile, showing me times I've never seen, moments you were here with me. Imagination fills my brain, gives you a face and a name, but the clarity is bittersweet, because without you I'm incomplete. I'm so incomplete. But I'm imagining, lost in a dream of you and me, just you and me. Imagination fogs my sins, lost between real and pretend. But I'd rather live in a dream than live in this reality. Imagination fills my eyes, so I can still feel you at times. And I can't wait until you're real, but until then I'll be right here. different, kinda like the movies. We could have grown together and had a happy ending. He could have taught you to fish just like he taught me. We could have had movie nights just watching Disney. You could have been our world, but instead it stopped. And now we're left with a void and a love we lost. Love we lost. This is to you, the